Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video demonstration I am going to show you how to install free VPN on Windows 11. Open web browser. Type Proton VPN in address bar. Press enter. Click on first link, protonvpn.com. Click on Get Proton VPN now. These are Proton VPN subscription plan, but in this video demonstration I am going to download free version. Get Proton free. Click Continue with free. I am going to create Proton new account. Type here email address. Click Start using Proton VPN. You will get a verification code on your email. Put it verification code here. Click Verify. Now the account is creating. Set your password. These are default password. Click Choose My Own Password. Set your password. Type Confirm Password. Click Set New Password. Download Proton VPN. Click Download. Click on Download Proton VPN. It is 75.7 MB software. Now the downloading is completed. Let's close web browser. Let's double click on this PC. Click Downloads. Here it is, our Proton VPN. Let's right click on it. Click Open. Let's close Downloads. Setup language is English. Click OK. Click Next. Uncheck the Install Proton Drive, Encrypted Cloud Storage. Click Next. Click Install. This installation will take some time. Now the Proton VPN is installed successfully. Let's double click on Proton VPN icon. Now here we will log on with the mail ID with which we created the account. Type username. Type password. Click Sign In. Click Skip. This is our IP right now. Click Quick Connect. Now the VPN is searching server. VPN is connected to Japan server. After connecting to VPN, our IP is now. I will show you IP location. Open web browser. Type here ipinfo.io. Press enter. As you can see, our IP region is Tokyo, country Japan. Now I am going to check internet speed after connecting VPN. Type speed test in address bar. Click on speed test. As you can see, Google page result is show Japanese language. I am going to translate Japanese to English. Click on speed test. Finding optimal server. Now the server is found. Click on Go. Internet speed test is completed, downloading and uploading speed is almost same 50 Mbps. Let's close web browser. Free connections, click on I button. These are our 5 free server connection countries: Japan, Netherlands, United States, Poland, Romania. Let's close on it. Now disconnect the VPN server. Let's close Proton VPN. So viewers, in this video tutorial, you can learn how to install free VPN on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.